Welcome to all brother and sister, please subscribe Asath Harigiri Shri Shiva Saith Hargal YouTube channel and click bell button. Foods that protect your liver healthy. The liver is one of the body's internal organs. This liver stores the energy glycogen that stores the body's energy, cleanses the blood and cleanses the blood, cleanses the protein from the nutritious foods, and removes various toxins in the body. Keeping the liver clean and maintaining the health of the body is so important. Even though this movement begins to decline, you may face various health problems. Hence, stop smoking and protecting the liver's health and taking some food to remove toxins that are joined by the liver. This can cause the toxins to reach the liver at small intervals. Garlic. Garlic contains essential ingredients to clean the liver like selenium and allicin. So, if you add it to daily meals, you can eliminate the toxins in the liver. Beetroot. Antioxidants are rich in beetroot. Thus the cells in the liver are healthy. If you consume it, the red blood cells will also increase. Apple. Fiber rich in apples is rich. Thus digestion is well maintained, leaving uninterrupted waste and toxins. So eat the apple every day and eat it daily. Green leaf vegetables. Green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach are also occasionally eaten. The liver is healthy. Onion. Onions are rich in fiber, potassium, flavonoids and phytonutrients. That's why we eat onions in everyday cooking,